Let's go, folks. Here is the procedure to unlock the default screen password of the Samsung J8, okay? The client brought it here for us to remove this default password that they forgot. Remember that this procedure we are going to do will erase all the information in the device's memory. Unfortunately, there is no other alternative, okay? So before the procedure, we always recommend that you remove your SIM card and memory card. I want to give you a tip here already, letting you know that this procedure also works for the Samsung J6, the Samsung J4, and some other models, okay? You can leave the device on this screen, remove your chip, remove your card, and let's go to the procedure. You will press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung name appears on the screen, release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. If you also need to unlock your device that's locked with a Google account, at the end of the video, I'll be giving you a tip. Alright, first, let's remove this password here. Put it on the emergency screen. Minus and power. Hold until the device restarts. Just press for a few seconds. Release the minus as it has already restarted. Press the plus at the top. Now, I'm holding the volume up button and the power button. The Samsung name appeared. Release the power button. Okay. Keep holding the volume up button as we explained before doing the procedure here. So it entered this screen, which is the recovery screen, as you can see. And we will go down by pressing the volume down button now until the option wipe data factory reset, and we will confirm with the power button. Go down again with the minus. Let's go to disec sound quonos. Down ko disec to disec second option. Confirm with the power. Let's wait. Arriving at this last screen, we click the power button once more. And here you just have to wait as your device is already having that screen password removed. Then you just configure it normally and you will have access to your device again as long as you haven't forgotten your Google account email. But if you need to unlock your device in case you have forgotten, we can also do this unlocking from anywhere you are. Just get in touch with me. My number is in the video description. If this video helped you, leave your like.